We'll guide you through how to understand what Namecheap is and what it offers. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Namecheap's website on your desktop. Namecheap is primarily known as a domain registrar, where you can buy and manage domain names for your website. On the homepage, you'll notice a search bar at the top. You can use this to check the availability of any domain name you're interested in. Just type the desired name and hit enter. If it's available, you can purchase it right there. Namecheap also provides web hosting services, which means you can host your website with them. To explore hosting options, you need to hover over the Hosting tab in the top menu, where you'll find different types of hosting like shared hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. Each type caters to different needs, from basic websites to more resource-intensive applications. Another key feature of Namecheap is its email hosting. To set this up, click on Email in the menu. This allows you to create professional email addresses using your domain name. Additionally, Namecheap offers SSL certificates to secure your website. Under the Security tab, you can browse through different SSL options, which help protect sensitive information on your site. They also have a VPN service, which you can find under the same Security tab. This is useful for browsing the internet safely and privately. Namecheap prides itself on having competitive pricing and great customer support. If you ever need help, there's a Help Center link at the top right corner of the page, where you can access guides, FAQs, and even chat with a support representative. Overall, Namecheap is a one-stop shop for getting your website up and running with its domain registration, hosting, and security services. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.